They say you have to lose everything to find yourself. The relationship is over. The job is no longer there. Your friends change. Maybe it feels like your world is falling apart. And maybe it feels like punishment. Maybe it's like, what's going on? Why is this happening to me? But I am here to tell you one thing I wish someone else told me back then, when I was going through the same, and that is, you're not being punished. You're really getting ready, because the universe or God, whatever resonates with you, isn't trying to hurt you. It doesn't want to hurt you by taking away everything from you. It is trying to get rid of the noise so you can hear your own voice. It is trying to show you who you really are when you stop divining yourself by what you do or who you are with. The only way to find that version of you that cannot be broken is to lose everything. And I learned this the hard way, and it changed everything for me. And I'm recording this video from that healed place because I came back 10 times stronger. And I want to let you know this is going to happen to you as well. So I realized this when I got the flu not long ago. It was just me alone in the house feeling weak. I don't know what kind of flu that was, but it was like, and in that quiet space I realized something shifted because I felt at peace. Because I was taking care of me and I felt so safe in my own skin and so comfortable just by being by myself, even though I felt this weak. And then I remembered something. I remember being sick while I was in a relationship, and I had exactly the same physical feelings like the flu. But I was different. A totally different vibe. So I felt lonely even when someone else was back then with me. I remember that I felt too much, that it was not okay to rest, to cough, to make noise. And I remember that I was worried that I was too much. And think about this for a second. Like I treated myself last week like a queen when I was alone, when I was by myself, and I felt too much when I was in a relationship for just being sick. And that is when the shift happened to me, because I thought about it, and I realized that this wasn't about them. It wasn't about how they acted toward me. It was about how I took it. It was about how I treated myself. And this was one profound type of reflection. That relationship didn't end because they were bad, because I finally realized that I was giving up on me to keep them. And I really found peace when I stopped leaving myself behind. And this whole situation taught me the most important thing about getting bigger. Life is in circles, guys. This is how it works for me. Life is in circles, in loops. The universe will keep sending you the same situations. Life will keep sending you the same situations, but you change it. Why? I think maybe just to see, to find out if you are still the same person, or to find out for yourself that you grew. So when the same thing happens again, like for example with my example, when I was sick, I don't think like I'm stuck in the loop. No, I take a closer look and I see the same thing happening in my reality, but you are different. And that is where you see that you opt out of a loop and you grow and your reality changes. And this is how you shift your reality. And it's not about working on your outside reality. It's about changing from within, changing as a person, showing up differently for yourself. And then you can just say, the lesson is in my pocket. I grew. I evolved from this. Like the old you would have been okay, maybe with the bare minimum, just not to be alone. But the new you fills herself or himself up. The new you says, I won't treat myself badly just because someone else did, and I accepted that. You don't break the loop by changing the people around you. You break the loop by changing how you treat, how you show up for yourself. That's how you know you've found yourself. Not because the problems stop coming, but because you stop giving up on yourself when they do. And this is why the universe had to take it all away. You were holding on to things that were too small for your heart, for who you really are. You were trying to make your spirit smaller, just to fit into a lower frequency, into a lower reality. And you would have stayed because you have a big heart and you are an empath. You would have kept trying to make things work because this is how you are. You want to see the best in things. But the universe, God did for you what you couldn't do for yourself. It got rid of the distraction. It got rid of the people who weren't aligned. It pushed you into the void. And yes, I know that the void is scary, but you are reborn in that void. You come back 10 times stronger from that void. When you stop getting validation from outside sources, when you detach from all of that, you have to find it within yourself. And let me tell you, internal validation is foolproof. It doesn't matter who leaves your life. It doesn't matter who abandons you. If you know who you are, you can tell the table is still full because you are sitting at it. Because sometimes, guys, we have to lose it all in order to find ourselves again. Because if there is one thing I've learned along the way, the moment you lose everything, that's the moment when you find yourself again. Okay? And you will come back 10 times stronger, 100 times stronger. Yeah. So, if you're here still with me, I want you to stop looking at the past and stop mourning it. You didn't lose anything. You only lost your illusions. You don't have to please anyone anymore. You stop being afraid of being alone. You are here today, opting out of that loop. Maybe with fewer things or people, but you are more with you. You are more yourself. And that is the best deal of your life. You are going to be 10 times stronger after this. You will have a glow that comes from inside you, not from something outside of you, not from any illusional filter. Losing everything is how you find yourself. And what about finding yourself? That is the best thing of all. Finding yourself, that is the best win of all. You're just home. You're just okay with being with yourself. And that is the most beautiful thing you can give yourself. Okay? So, the universe, God is reorganizing everything for you. Have faith in the process. Have faith in yourself and in God, in the universe. Okay? I don't know who needed to hear this, but let me know in the comments if it resonated. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me along my journey. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.